Welcome everyone to another session on current affairs by Seoul AI Academy. In this session, we'll be discussing about the India AI Impact Summit, which was just recently concluded in February. It was held at Bharat Mandapam at New Delhi. It was organized by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. So to talk about the AI summits, so that actually started in 2023. Okay. At Bletchley Park of UK. So basically the objective is AI is a revolutionizing technology. Okay, it has a lot of potential, lot of risk is also associated with it. So through these summits, these states, different governments, they are trying to build dialogue on AI, and they are trying to say, okay, what AI is supposed to do? Okay, what are the ethical boundaries of AI? Okay, what should we do to ensure that AI serve the needs and demands of the world? Okay, so basically these summits actually create a structured governance on AI. That is the objective of these summits. So initial summit was in 2023, Bletchley Park at UK, and that summit focused on frontier AI technologies. Okay, frontier AI technologies. It also said that there is going to be future summits. Okay, it also said that the UK was going to establish a National Safety Institute on AI. Okay, so frontier AI, advanced AI applications. The focus was on this side of AI. Okay, and it was kind of like a risk-averse approach. Okay, that is, countries were wary about AI at that time. Okay, so remember each of the summit where it was held and the major outcomes. Just broad theme of the summit is you have to remember. Okay, the next summit was at Seoul. 2024 summit at Seoul. Okay, so in this summit the focus expanded. The focus became on inclusion. Okay, that is, AI must include the interests of smaller nations, vulnerable sections. Okay, there is a need to look into these aspects as well as the environment sustainability. Okay, this summit also said that the countries are now going to cooperate to establish an international network of safety institutes. Okay, to ensure that AI works in a safe manner, in a trusted manner, in a transparent manner. Okay, so these were the outcomes of the 2024 summit. Okay, the next summit, 2025, was held at Paris. Okay, 2025 at Paris. Okay, in this summit, a pool of funds was actually created to ensure that AI works for the public interest. Okay, a 2.5 billion fund was created to ensure that the AI works for public interest. Okay, the focus again expanded to ensure that environmental sustainability, a coalition for ensuring environmental sustainability was created, and also the Roost initiative. Okay, this is important. The Roost initiative is a set of open source safety tools that are provided to ensure that AI works in a safe manner. Okay, for these are tools, safety tools to ensure that AI works in an open manner. Okay, open and safe manner. Okay, so these are open source tools that has been put in public domain, that can be used by various countries to ensure that AI works in a safe manner. So that was actually launched at the Paris Summit of 2025. Okay, and now finally we reach the 2026 summit, which was held by New Delhi, right? The next summit is proposed to be held by Switzerland, and remember the 2028, the summit after that, is going to be held by UAE. Okay, so remember the countries who are supposed to hold the summit also. So in our summit, 2026 summit, okay, the broader theme was welfare for all and happiness for all. Okay, and happiness for all. Okay, so its Hindi translation is Sarvajan, Hitaya and Sarvajan, Sukhaya, right? So that was the overall theme, and it focused on three, what you can say, pillars. Okay, pillars or what they call as sutras. Okay, that is AI should focus on people. Okay, it should ensure that the welfare of the people should be at the forefront of the working of AI, right? Planet. Okay, that is AI should act as a avenue for stewardship, right? Or what you can say, that is it should guard the interest of environment. It should work in a sustainable manner. It should further the what you can say, protection of the environment, right? As well as progress. Okay, so remember these words because one, they can directly give in the statement. Two, if a general statement comes, if you know these kind of ideas, you may be able to eliminate certain options. Okay, so 3 pillars and 7 chakras were also announced. 7 chakras refers to working groups. Okay, just don't need to remember the entire set of the working groups, but just know that the focus was on democratizing AI. Okay, so a declaration, New Delhi declaration was actually signed by about 91 members. Okay, it includes 89 member countries and 2 international organizations like EU as well as International Fund for Agriculture Development. So remember who all signed the Delhi declaration as well. Pakistan did not sign it, and certain other countries also did not sign it. Bangladesh signed it just recently. So remember the number of countries who have signed it. So remember the New Delhi declarations aim to, for one, it aims to improve the democratization of AI. AI should be made available to all the smaller nations, weaker sections, okay, those who are overcoming the digital divide, all those things. AI should be used for social empowerment, okay, so to do social justice, to achieve social goals, right? It should be a safe, trust and ethical AI. Right, AI should display transparency, AI should display accountability. Okay, its working should be safe in an ethical manner. There should be ethical boundaries that AI should not cross. Okay, then it is going to focus on human resources, right? There is a lot of risk of AI replacing workers. AI should also ensure it should work in a manner so that it can help the human resource as well. Okay, it should provide a pathway to improve the human resource skilling as well. Okay, that should also be a concern of AI. Then it should also be focusing on science. Okay, that is research, innovation. Okay, so understand these broader themes so that whenever a statement comes, you can actually pick out which sounds odd. Okay. So remember, the next summit is going to be at Switzerland, and one after that is going to be held at UAE. So understand the broader themes of the India AI Impact Summit. A few of the initiatives that were launched, like Sarvam AI, Path Silica was announced in the India AI Impact Summit. Then for healthcare, Sahi and Bodh. Okay, these are AI powered tools for healthcare. Just remember that these are related, okay, related to healthcare sector, okay, for the welfare of healthcare. These are AI powered initiatives. Okay, then also you had an AI impact, or what you can say, AI challenge initiative, right, where AI would be used for the youth, for the welfare of youth, for the welfare of women. Okay, so such kind of initiatives were also launched by India in the AI Impact Summit. Okay, so that's all in this session. Thank you.